Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can record a Zoom meeting on Android phone. So all you have to do now, you can try to start new meeting or join meeting. Let's start new meeting for now and tap start meeting. So in order to record it, all you have to do is use your screen recorder on your phone. So usually the Android now have a built-in screen recorder. Like I'm using built-in screen recorder. No need install third application. Just turn on your screen recorder now. The tools will record your screen, record your Zoom meeting automatically. So there is no limit how many times and how much times. So here, after you thing finish, after the meeting is done, just tap stop recording. And here, if you don't have built-in screen recording, you can go to the Play Store or App Store and try to search the screen recorder to be installed on your system. So here, try to install the trusted one. Usually I'm using screen recorder, X recorder. In X recorder, you can select your landscape manually. Resolution, quality, FPS. It's more advanced than built-in screen recorder by your Android phone. But be careful, there is an add-on. If you want to use some feature, you need to join Pro. And also the AZ recorder. This is the old one. So you can adjust the video resolution, video quality, and FPS, and so on. So here I recommend you to download X Recorder or AZ Recorder if you don't have a screen recorder built in on your system or on your device. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And circle the button below. See you in the next video.